road by this way, by this area. Then we have to crawl carefully in the river because a bit tricky with a rock in the river bed. So we have to find which way how to cross or cruise along the river to avoid at the deep water level. So we need to pass and find the nearby riverbank to get off from the river. Sungai yang berbatu. We are almost arrived at the riverbank. At this area we have two riverbanks to choose, and we need to choose which one's easier for us to climb up. And then we are choose for the second riverbank. So let's see how they climb up the riverbank and get off from the river. Memang tu buat ni pun dia ada batang kayu. Batang tu. Kita akan menaiki tebing riverbank to get off from the river, and yang agak curam to wait for our turns. One by one in queue to climb the riverbanks. Luckily last night we didn't get rains, otherwise we cannot pass cruising the river because big water. We are very lucky last night and today. The weather is good. So now we are climbing. Yeah, it's a big challenge. So we have to pass the bush and the banks. Yes, we are past. This is the second cruise. We have to cruise another way in the river. It's about 500 meters to go until we meet with all our colleagues in front of there at the end of the river. They are all waiting for us at there. And then there is no more river to go.